Imagine waking up tomorrow with twice your current salary. Would your money problems disappear? Most people instantly say, yes. But here's something surprising. Every year, millions of people get raises. And a year later, they still feel broke. So if earning more isn't the answer, what is? The truth is, most financial problems don't start with income. They start with habits. Think about this. Money is like water flowing into a bucket. Your salary is the tap. Your spending is the holes in the bucket. Most people focus only on making the tap bigger. But if the holes keep getting bigger too, the bucket never fills. That's exactly what happens when people earn more but spend more. A bigger salary creates a bigger lifestyle, not bigger wealth. This is called lifestyle inflation. Imagine getting a raise at work. At first, you're excited. Then you move into a nicer apartment. You upgrade your phone. You buy a more expensive car. You start ordering food more often because you've earned it. None of these choices seem bad on their own, but together, they quietly consume every extra pound, dollar, or rupee you earn. Soon, your new salary feels just as small as the old one. Now here's the strange part. Your brain actually encourages this. Psychologists call it hedonic adaptation. It simply means we get used to better things much faster than we expect. The new car feels amazing for a few weeks. The bigger house feels exciting for a few months. Then both become normal. And suddenly, you're looking for the next upgrade. That's why buying more rarely creates lasting happiness. Your expectations rise just as fast as your income. Now let's flip the story. Imagine two people receive exactly the same raise. The first spends all of it. The second spends half and automatically saves or invests the other half. After 1 year, they don't look very different. After 10 years, they might have completely different financial lives. Not because one earned more, because one kept part of every raise. This is one of the simplest wealth-building habits in the world. Pay your future self before your present self spends everything. Here's another secret wealthy people understand. Every pound, dollar, or rupee has a job. It can buy something today, or it can help buy freedom tomorrow. Freedom to leave a stressful job. Freedom to handle emergencies. Freedom to retire with fewer worries. Money isn't valuable because you own it. Money is valuable because of the choices it gives you. And that's what wealth really is. Not luxury cars. Not designer clothes. Not impressing strangers. Real wealth is having enough financial security. That money stops controlling every decision you make. The good news? You don't need to be rich to start building wealth. You need one habit. Every time your income increases, don't let all your spending increase with it. Keep a small piece working for your future. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be consistent. Because wealth is rarely built in one big moment. It's built through hundreds of small decisions that nobody notices. One less unnecessary purchase. One more automatic investment. One more month of patience. These tiny choices don't feel life-changing today. But over years, they quietly become life-changing. So the next time you get a raise, receive a bonus, or earn a little extra money, ask yourself one question before you spend it. Am I upgrading my lifestyle, or upgrading my future? Because the people who become financially free aren't always the ones who earn the most. They're usually the ones who learn one simple lesson. Making money changes your income. Keeping money changes your life.